There's no question the U.S. has some room for improvement when it comes to handling global health crises. That's the finding of a new Pew Research Center survey. 58% of American adults disapprove of how the country is handling the pandemic. The 44% people who responded say coronavirus has changed their life significantly. But on the positive side, it seems we're learning from our mistakes. 67% say they are optimistic about the nation's ability to handle future global health emergencies. 11 Alive has you covered when it comes to fighting the virus. You'll find updated information on vaccination sites, making appointments, a lot of information for you on 11alive.com and our app. Or you can text the word vaccines to 404-885-7600 and we'll send a link directly to your phone.